Hello guys, Sanbonani and welcome back to my channel. Here's KZN major prisons ranked by capacity. Wow. Number 1, Sinewestville Prison. This one is the largest correctional center in SA, in a medium, the maximum, the juvenile and the remind section. And emlandweni ngiyo i-prison legcina tiboshwa letiningi kakhulu, like letiningi. So i-capacity yabo ithi 6,023, mara yona ngalokuvumelekile bekungamelanga ize indlulele ifike kubo 8,000, but because of i-crime iningi, tigebengu tigcwele, so yeah, yavulwa 1985 June July khona lapho. Number 2, sineqala kabusha prison, yona isempangeni. Lena ine-medium ne-maximum facility, isebenza njenge-admission center yase-Northern KZN. I-capacity yabo ithi 1,638. Lena yona inemadoda la sentensiwe nala ku-remind, i-combination yalawo ma-offenders, but le center yemadoda kuphela, umthole mfati la. Yavulwa 4 November 2020. Ayikho ngaleyo ndlela, isingakabanga itsala ngaleyo ndlela. Number 3, sineBhongweni Prison se-Kokstad. Lena i-super maximum prison, ngiyo i-super maximum prison lekhona la Mzansi. Yona igcina tiboshwa letiku-high risk, tiboshwa letiyingoti, tiboshwa ukuthi atilawuleki. I-capacity yayo ithi 1,536. Onke ma-single cell, kude ukuthi bayashare, everyone uhlalele yedwa. Yavulwa 30 May 2002. Number 4, sine-Pietermaritzburg New Prison. Lena i-large center legcina konke gwetshiwe ngoku-reminder zonke bonke phakathi. I-capacity yona ithi 4,000. Akukavetwa ukuthi yavulwa nini. Number 5, sine-Pietermaritzburg Medium Prison. Yona ina-medium A and B. Yona igcina tiboshwa letigwetshiwe letisalinze kuya kogwetshwa njalo njalo. I-capacity yabo medium A una 1,493, medium B ufaka abantu labawu-316. Nayo futhi ayikavetwa ukuthi yavulwa nini. So guys, la ma-prison la active or lokuthenjelwe kuwo kakhulu e-KZN. Guys, that's the end of our today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Tonibona ku video elandelayo. Bye.